So here's our balcony. It is raining on my second day in Gatlinburg. But today we're just going to mainly go to the outlets in Sevierville. But look how pretty our room. We're right on the river. Yes, it's loud. That's it though, we're at the Days Inn. Fire pits. It was really nice. Our little balcony. Room. They are in the middle of remodeling, so this is one they've not remodeled yet. Fireplace. Nice big wardrobe. A microwave and a fridge, and my hubby is getting ready around that corner, so I won't go around there. Big old king size bed. Yeah. Day 2 of Gatlinburg.